Goldie.
Hey, look, I told you about that. I don't want to ever hear you saying that again. That goes for the rest of you. You want to be my partner, I don't want to hear you say that. Okay, man, you can be a lawyer, you can be a doctor, you can be anything you want to be. But I don't want to ever hear you saying you want to be like me, okay? Now, let me give you some of this money now, because I got to get out of here.
Dana's got that much, gotta eat my lunch. My first name Captain, my last name Crunch. Laying in my bed, a crunch in my head. Too lazy to get up, so I'ma have to beg. Crispy is my thing, that makes me sing. Pull up to the kitchen, then find my bling. Open up that box, she pull up to my lot. Tryna cop these crisps, you know it hits the spot. Diving in that bowl, pull up to my show. Can't get enough, I just want some more. So much different flavors, it's a lifesaver. Can't forget the milk, too crispy gotta savor. Kellogg's has no game, cereal hella plain. Open up the box, you know that shit is lame.